Ignore my skin and ignore my hair. Summer in Korea. So yeah, this is going to be a tour of my Airbnb that I'm staying in Hannam, like Itaewon area. I've been in here for a week and it's a really nice apartment actually. I've been staying in an office tower while I've been working at the school, and I finished working at my school on Friday. And I start at a different school in October because I'm going to England. I'm going to England tomorrow, and I'm very nervous because I don't like long haul flights. And then I decided to move to the other side of the country, not just country, other side of the world, to the rest of my family. So I have to do long haul flights. I just remembered what my phone group talk is. Don't judge me. There's so much BTS on my Instagram and on this channel. You should expect this. Anyway, so now I'll post the video of me just walking around the apartment and then rambling, and then I think I'm posting this in October, so by the time this goes up I'll be in a completely different place, but that's fine. Airbnb tour. I don't know how to do vlogs like this. So many people do them and I watch them, but I don't know. I'm just talking now because I miss my dog. Okay, right, I'll put the video in now. Bye. Okay, here's a tour of my Airbnb in Hannam, right? So here first there's the shoe bit, and there's drying rack and clothes basket. There's recycling, vacuum, fridge, and then appliances. This is my suitcase, and that's also my suitcase, so they don't come with the Airbnb. Kitchen, and there's like dishes and cooking stuff. This is my dog's toy. My dog's not here at the moment. He's just gone to the place that he's staying while I'm gone, and I'm sad and I miss him. Okay, there's a chaise that goes with the sofa, TV and coffee table, stuff, bed, stuff, and all my mess that I have to clean up because I leave at 7 o'clock tomorrow. In here, just move my suitcase. There's a washing machine, so that's good. Filling for hi. And also, what is kind of sometimes hard to find is a bath with a bathtub, which was nice. I had a bath with a bath bomb from Lush, but on the first night there was a big bug in there, so I've just been a bit careful since then. This has been really nice, and for the week it cost, I'm not sure, but I'll put it in here. I leave at 7 o'clock, 7:30 tomorrow, I think. I'm in Itaewon, so it takes a while to get to the airport, and I am going home to England tomorrow. And I'm nervous. So yeah, I'm going to England tomorrow, and then I'm there for 10 days, and then coming back, and I'll have two and a bit weeks in Seoul. I'm living in a different part of Seoul, and then I will start my new job. But right now, I'm excited, but I'm also kind of nervous about going home. I think I'm mainly nervous because I just get anxious when I have to go on long haul flights. Even though this is the second time within a year that I'm going over to England. I went at Christmas last year. And I feel really bad because Steve... I feel really bad because Steve is with a friend who worked at my old school, the school that I just left. So she's looking after him. I miss my son. my hairy son. I miss him. He's been gone for about 10 minutes. And I miss him. I miss him so much. But I'll see him in 11 days. So that's okay. I won't die. Maybe. Maybe I will die and then... Tricky business if I do die. I don't know what happens if I die. Hopefully Mum will work it out. I'll text her. Ask her what happens to Steve if I die over here. Okay, anyway, right. So, there's my Airbnb tour.